Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove these interior stops. And we have to be careful with them because we're going to reuse those. And what I've done on this side here is I've gone ahead and pried the window frame itself out so I can get behind the interior stop from the outside. So that way I can do as little damage as possible to the stops. Okay, now that I broke the trim loose from the outside and started separating it from the wall, I can go ahead now on the inside and get inside that gap right here and start prying it without causing any damage to the trim. The key is you got to make sure that you keep working the trim back and forth. You don't want to take and pry a big spot at one time because you'll end up breaking this trim.